Hey everyone, and welcome. So, have you ever been in that situation where someone hands you a printout or sends you an image of a table, and you just know you're going to have to type everything out by hand into Excel? Well, what if I told you there's a simple, and I mean really simple, AI trick that can do it for you? In this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. So that's the big question, right? How do you actually get from a picture of a spreadsheet to the real thing, to a usable data sheet without losing your mind and hours of your day to mind-numbing data entry? It's a problem we all run into, but the solution is now easier than ever. And this really gets to the heart of what I like to call the data entry dilemma. It's that old, slow, frustrating way of doing things that just kills your productivity. Okay, so imagine you get this. It could be a bank statement, a report from a colleague, whatever. It's just a static image. You can see the numbers, sure, but you can't sort them, you can't add them up, you can't make a chart. It's basically useless as data. Your only option, traditionally, would be to roll up your sleeves and start typing. And we have all been there, haven't we? Just staring at two screens, typing out every single line, every single number. It is just so tedious. It takes forever. And you know what? It's so easy to make one tiny typo that messes up everything downstream. There's got to be a better way. Well, there is. And it's all thanks to AI. This is the new, fast, and frankly much smarter way to solve this exact problem. See, instead of you doing all that grunt work, you can now get an AI tool to do the heavy lifting for you. It can literally look at the image, figure out the rows and columns, and just pull all the data out for you. And it does it in seconds. And here's the best part. This isn't some crazy technical thing you need to be a programmer to do. Nope. It's a super simple 3-step process that literally anyone can follow. Let's walk through it. It really is this easy. Step 1, just get a clear picture of your data. You can take a photo with your phone or just grab a screenshot. Step 2, upload that picture into an AI tool. And step 3, you just ask it what you want it to do. That's it. It's really that straightforward. And when I say ask it, I mean it. Check out this prompt. You don't need to know any special code or weird commands. You just type in plain, simple English. Please convert the uploaded image into an Excel sheet data. That is literally all it takes. And here's what that actually looks like. You can see the image has been uploaded, and right there in the text box is that simple prompt we just talked about. From here, you just press enter and let the AI do its thing. And what happens next is where the magic really kicks in. This isn't just about saving a little time. This is about totally unlocking your productivity. I mean, just look at this. On the left, that's our original image file, completely static. And on the right, a perfectly clean, perfectly structured digital spreadsheet. The AI didn't just copy the pixels, it understood the content and rebuilt it as actual functional data. And that's the key takeaway here. The final result is 100% usable data. You get all your rows, all your columns, everything with the right headers. Now you can immediately start sorting, filtering, creating charts, doing the actual work you needed to do in the first place. So the payoff here is just huge. You're saving so much time that you would have wasted just typing. You're saving all the mental energy and focus that goes into such a boring task. And when you put those two together, you're massively boosting your productivity, which frees you up to focus on things that really matter. This little trick is just one tiny example of how AI can start to take over these tedious parts of our jobs. And that leaves me with one final question for you to think about. What other annoying, time-consuming tasks do you deal with every day that could be simplified or maybe even completely automated with just a simple prompt? The possibilities are pretty much endless.